How much does rug cleaning cost in Singapore? Many people want to clean their rugs in their properties regularly. It is important that you clean your carpet or rug regularly, so you can use this item for a long period of time. There are some rug cleaning companies that are available today. When you compare some of these companies, you should take a look at their services. You also need to calculate the total cost that you are going to spend for cleaning your rug. The average cost of this rug cleaning procedure in Singapore is about $80 to $400. Here are some important factors that can affect this total cost. These tips will help you keep the carpets and rugs clean and also lengthen the life of them. 1. Vacuuming regularly. Vacuuming at least once a week is a must for the life and beauty of your home's carpet. However, the more traffic they suffer, the more frequently they should aspire. 2. Deep cleaning. There are different forms of more exhaustive cleaning such as steam cleaning. We recommend a deep cleaning every 12 to 18 months to freshen the carpet and remove the deeper dirt. 3. Clean the stain as soon as possible. The most important thing is to clean the stain as soon as it happens. This will drastically reduce the possibility that the stain will last. How to reduce the cost of professional rug cleaning? You should maintain a regular cleaning. This is the best method of cutting the cost of rug cleaning by the expert. Keep the pets clean and dirt outside. Leaving your dirt outside is the easiest method you can use. Keep the dustbin at the door and ensure to empty it every day. For family households or visitors, put a doormat so they can rub their shoes before they enter. Buying cleaning products. Cleaning products in rug cleaning is the main expense in professional cleaning. So, you can purchase those products on your own. If buying this item from a local dealer, you additionally get discounts on them. Hire the best service provider. The services from the rug cleaner should satisfy you even if affordable. However, if offered with high-quality service, then the cost won't bother you.